The OnePlus 13T, expected to debut in late April 2025, is shaping up to be an exciting entry in the OnePlus flagship lineup, especially for fans of more compact devices. Unlike its larger sibling, the OnePlus 13, the 13T is rumored to feature a slightly smaller 6.3-inch flat OLED display with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This should offer an immersive visual experience while maintaining a more manageable size for one-handed use. Powering the device is likely Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. Despite its compact frame, the 13T is said to pack a massive 6,200 mAh battery, an impressive upgrade that could potentially outlast even larger competitors. On the camera front, leaks suggest a dual-lens setup featuring a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, paired with a 50MP telephoto lens offering 2x optical zoom, which should provide solid photography performance for most users. While the OnePlus 13T is expected to launch first in China, global availability is likely to follow shortly after, giving international users something to look forward to. With its combination of power, portability, and premium features, the OnePlus 13T could be a compelling option for those who want flagship performance without the bulk.